I love art because it's just accessible to everyone. Everyone can enjoy it no matter what age, race, religion. It's just for everyone. And it means something to each person. I mean, just because the artist made it for one reason doesn't mean that's what someone else takes from it. So you can make your own opinion, and it's just, like I said, for everyone. It's not just for one person. Everyone, all over the world.
Myself and my colleagues, we kind of started up a Lyceum gallery firstly as a pop-up space, so we took over kind of old shops which had been derelict for long periods, did them up, put on some shows, and then usually we'd get moved on. And as time went on, we stayed in these kind of shops for longer and longer, and eventually we got given our first long-term space, and that was in 2007 on High Street. And we tended to be given buildings which were kind of in areas where no one would go. So the High Street, where Costas is having his exhibition 10 years ago, was a serious no-go area.
I'm proud being part of this community, trying to get people involved with the arts. Swansea is a graveyard of ambition. I don't think that's true anymore because there are lots of opportunities coming up, and there are many talented people in Swansea.
I think the art community feels safe here to experiment with stuff. There's not as much pressure as there is in London to try and live by what you do. There's a bit more freedom, there's a bit more acceptance of what you do.
It's post-apocalyptic in a way. I mean, and it's made with materials that you could find after distraction.
And so the purpose of what a gallery, an arts organisation should be, kind of changed for us. Rather than kind of hopping around and just showing our work to the passing public, it became more about engaging with people who wouldn't normally go to a gallery. And this, I think, is important for kind of young artists as well. It's kind of adapting to different spaces and different audiences, and I think it enables them to grow better as artists.
The exhibitions that we hold at the moment at Volcano are quite risky, I could call it. We take quite a lot of contemporary performance as well, which is not an usually place to go and see to, for example, the Grand Theatre or the National Theatre or anything like that. So we like the weird style. Now is when I see the art in Swansea is growing. Now is when you see the artists after finished university staying in Swansea, like we got Elations and studios upstairs, or even people from my year staying in Swansea, and you see every day you see more people creating more work.
If we cooperate and live in harmony with each other, we can carry on exploring ourselves and the universe.